Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your teacher Shagufta Faisal from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Today our topic is climatic regions of Pakistan. So let's start our presentation today. The climatic regions of Pakistan, the long-lasting condition of a weather in a particular area such as air pressure, temperature, humidity and rainfall are termed as the climate of an area. You remember about it? Do you remember that average pattern of weather of some place or a country over a long period of time is called climate? I have revised this climate terminology to you again, so things will be clear to you. Right, guys? An average pattern of weather of some place or a country over a long period is called climate. Look at this region. This is a polar region, for example. So, whole year long, the climate stays same. The climate stays same. There is ice in a polar region. Now, look at the climatic regions of Pakistan. Let me show you the heading as well. The climatic regions of Pakistan. Pakistan can be divided into 4 regions with the reference to climate. So, according to the climate, we have divided the Pakistan geography into 4 parts. The first one is the subtropical continental highland. Continental highland. Second, subtropical continental plateau. Third, subtropical continental lowland. And the fourth is subtropical continental coastland. Right, guys? Have you noted down? These are the 4 regions which we have divided to calculate the climate of Pakistan. Let's move forward. The first one is a subtropical continental highland. Subtropical continental highland includes Pakistan northern mountain ranges, the mountain ranges of Balochistan, Quetta. Here the winter is extremely cold. Normally there is snowfall. Summer season is quite cool, and in the spring and winter season there is mostly fog and rainfall. And which are the areas consist over here? These are the northern mountains and the Balochistan. Some are the outer parts like Himalaya, Murree and Hazara districts. So winters are extremely cold. Summer has moderate climate. This was regarding the subtropical continental highland. Now the second is subtropical continental plateau. Subtropical continental plateau. In this climatic region, most of the part of Balochistan are included. From May to the mid of September, hot and dusty winds continuously blow. Right? Extreme hot and dry and dusty winds are important characteristics of this region. Mostly parts are from Balochistan. The next region is subtropical continental lowland. This climatic region includes upper Indus Plain and the lower Indus Plain. Summer is very hot. The north of Punjab receives late summer monsoon rains, while the rest of the Punjab receives less rainfall. Right, guys? And in winter, rainfall situation is same. Right? Now, look at the last tropical region, which is the Coastland. Coastland. This climatic region includes coastal area. And where do we have coastal areas? That's good. Balochistan and Sindh. Balochistan and Sindh. Sea breeze increase humidity in summer. Right? And the annual average temperature is mostly 30 to 32 degree centigrade. So these were the categories of the climatic zones: the subtropical continental highland, subtropical continental plateau, subtropical continental lowland, and the subtropical coastland. Although Pakistan is situated in the monsoon zone of climate, but being in the extreme western part of this region does not possess its characteristics. You know, the mostly monsoon rainfall is used to be in India. Therefore, the climate of Pakistan is arid, hot, and continental type. There are extreme variations in the temperature. A major part of Pakistan lies at a great distance from the sea. Right, guys? So these were the regions on the basis of climate. Right, guys? I hope you got the idea. Now look at the class assignment.